Welcome back into the nest for more intimate chats with the Lovebirds. Now, with more discussion about love, sex, and relationships, here are Doctors Chuck and Joanne Bird.
Welcome back again. This is our last segment on this beautiful June 3rd.
National Donut Day.
Yes. Yes. National Donut Day. I love it. And we were talking about rapid and premature ejaculation, and just to kind of review some of the things here, premature ejaculation occurs when a man ejaculates sooner during sexual, intercourse, much sooner than they or their partner would like. Okay? That's kind of the basis there, and that it's creating some kind of significant distress to either the person that's having it or their partner.
That's right.
It's causing relationship. And remember, we said about 30% of men suffer from this. It's a very common sexual complaint. 1 out of 3 men may be affected by this problem at some time. 1 in 3.
1 in 3.
Yes. And like we were saying before, we covered some of these things. Both psychological and medical or biological factors can play a role in premature ejaculation. They're just very embarrassed to talk about it. It's very common and very treatable, so you don't have to be so embarrassed.
Right.
You can get help from this, that's for sure. And there's a variety of treatments that are available. Combination of treatments work best, but it can range from medications, like you were saying, lotions and ointments, there's
creams,
condoms, there's all kinds of things that can help. Psychological counseling and sexual techniques that you can learn from a sex therapist. All these things in combination can help.
That's right. That's right. And
so no need to suffer.
Exactly. You don't want to suffer with that.
Exactly. We mentioned 2 resources again for those that are just now tuning in. One is a video by bettersex.com. It's called You Can Last Longer. It covers 2 really great techniques. Okay? They lead you through the techniques. It's a guide for achieving better ejaculatory control. And you actually watch couples demonstrate in explicit detail. They will show you.
Right. They will show you.
Step by step self-help techniques that we often as sex therapists suggest to our couples.
And I'll emphasize, they show couples.
That's right.
Doing it, not just the man by himself.
That's right, couples. And they talk about the stop-start technique and the very effective squeeze technique that has been proven to be about 90% effective. So this is a really good video that you can purchase to get help with this. And like we said before, a really great book. It's good. It has a lot of great information in it. It's actually very funny. He's very,
a great writer.
Yes,
he really is. He makes it interesting. It's not just one of these boring reads.
Yes, and it's called She Comes First, and that is COMES, The Thinking Man's Guide to Pleasuring a Woman by Dr. Ian Kerner. And he talks about his own history of having premature ejaculation and how this book came about from that.
Yeah, it did.
On learning to please a woman and finding other ways and everything else in there. So it does touch on this. So again, you can get that book.
And I think there was something he said, which I thought was really cool, is, we were talking about the 3 to 8 minutes.
Yes.
And then the 20 minutes for women.
Yeah.
And he's like, really? It's just a few extra minutes if you really think about
Prolonged pleasure.
From 8 minutes to 20 minutes,
You might as well.
Why
not a lot of women, very few, report not being, able to reach orgasm.
Right.
Because they are not spending a lot of time on foreplay and pleasuring and everything else, and that's a shame. Spend the 15, 20 minutes, let her go first, have an orgasm, and then you don't have to worry about the anxiety or anything else after that.
Or the time frame or anything else.
Exactly.
Then there
you go.
There you go.
Exactly. Now, what's interesting, we wanted to kind of switch topics. If you have any questions, though, for us, and you don't want to call in, you can always go to our website, which is www.thelovebirds4u.com, or you can even contact us through the radio show website.
That's right.
Which is intimatechatshow.com. We're on Facebook and Twitter, so there's plenty of ways that you can get questions to us.
Sure.
So if you have any, send them to us.
Yeah.
We'll reply back.
And remember, if you guys still have questions tonight, 1-866-826-1340.